Hello my friends and welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Tuesday. For those who may not know me, my name is TheJoshuaHaynes, and every Tuesday I talk about technology to make your life a lot simpler. Today we're actually finishing up our three-part series entitled Don't Wait, Just Start. Over the past few weeks we've talked about how you can get good crisp audio, how to generate good video stability when you are talking and walking, and comparing the pros and cons between, which devices work best for the needs that you need. So today I'm actually introducing two specific apps that can help build your productivity when it comes to recording, as well as increase your efficiency when it comes to editing without having to use a laptop. So if you're interested in watching today's Tech Tuesday video, stick around because we're about to get into it. Okay, so the first app I want to talk to you about is called Filmic Pro. This app is available on both Android and iOS devices. It is $14.99, but there is no annual fee or anything, so it's just a $14.99 straight one-time fee, and you're able to actually update it as they generate more updates. So that's a good thing about the app. Another great feature about the app is the fact that it gives you so much control for your devices when you are creating content and recording. All right, so I currently have the app open right now, and I just want to show you how it looks on my screen when you are purchasing it. As you can see, there's a lot of different settings that you have when you are trying to, use this app. Currently, I'm using the front-facing camera, but if I wanted to change it, it gives me all these options to select when I want to choose which camera I want to use. So that's a great feature. You also have different audio selections. You can choose which iPhone mic you want to use when you are recording. So you have a lot of different options. So that's a great feature. You can also feature, which kind of kilohertz you want to use so that the intensity of the audio is actually fitting for that setting that you want to use it for. Another great thing is the fact that it offers stabilization, built-in stabilization. It's pretty much the same thing as adding the stabilization after you record the video, but just the fact that it has it built in saves you a lot of hassle, saves you a lot of time, especially when it comes to editing your videos if you don't, have that feature and that option when you have it in the editing section for your videos. So that's a great feature. You could have custom presets that you can use depending on which settings and default settings you want to create, so that it's a one-time preset. You make it and then you can always use it time after time when you're using the app. Another great feature is the fact that it actually syncs to your gimbal so that it pairs very easily and you have full access over the gimbal control buttons as well. So there's really nothing you have to worry about. You have the option to actually put grids on the screen as well, so you can always be in frame specifically when you are recording. So this is a great app. I encourage you guys to try it out. Look at reviews, test it out so you don't have to spend that money and not know if you actually want to use it or not. Okay, so for the second app, it's only specifically for iOS users. This works for both iPhones and iPads. It's a lot easier to use when you have an iPad, a bigger screen, so that you have more free range for controlling your videos and your content, what you want to do when it comes to editing. But this is available on the iOS store. It's a great app. It's not really intended for beginners, but you could think of it as an advanced iMovie editor. All right, so I currently have Luma Fusion open on my phone right now. I did import just a small snippet of an old Tech Tuesday video, but I want to show you guys exactly how it worked briefly. So it's very easy to use. You can see that it's easy to clip any clippings that you don't want. It's easy to delete it if you don't need it anymore. You could pinch to zoom so you can see literally the audio wave of your file, and you can see exactly where you need to start, where you need to edit. It's easy to add audio, more photos, more videos based on your device. There's a lot of good things you can do with this app. It's very powerful, it's very strong. It's an app that I probably should do a review fully just for a Tech Tuesday video all by itself on my iPad. But I just want to introduce this to you guys so that you have some type of software editing you could use without having to pay a subscription for a monthly or annually fee. Well, I hope today's video and this three-part series changes your perspective on all the equipment that you need to produce good quality content while saving some money. If you like what you see, every Tuesday I talk about Tech Tuesday videos right here on YouTube, so feel free to hit that subscribe button and tell your friends. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you next week on Tech Tuesday. See you later.